Hi, this is Habib from Preston Audi, and this is the Audi S3 Sportback Black Edition. This model has a 2-litre TFSI engine with 300 PS and the slick tronic gearbox, delivering a 0 to 60 time of just 4.7 seconds. This model has had 3 previous owners. With this being an approved used Audi model, it means it comes with 1 year warranty, 1 year MOT, and 1 year roadside assistance. Starting at the front of the car, we have the black styling pack, adding the black aeronet grills, radiator grille, front bumper, and Audi rings, giving this a menacing front end. While as standard, we have the striking LED headlights, providing high quality illumination. Moving around the side of the car, we have the stylish 18-inch 5-arm trapezoid design Audi Sport alloy wheels, which look amazing, especially with the optional red brake calipers, and complement the stunning Navarra Blue paintwork perfectly. While there's also heated, electrically adjustable and folding black door mirrors with integrated LED side indicators, as well as black side window trim strips, really setting off the menacing exterior look, while the rear privacy glass ensures there's extra security for your rear seat passengers. Moving inside, you'll see there's a spacious interior, with plenty of space for all passengers to sit comfortably, while on the fine nap leather upholstered seats, it means you can travel in luxury too. These are really comfortable and supportive, especially on long journeys, while the ISOFIX points on the outer rear seats ensure your child seats will stay secure on the move. Moving outside of the car and around to the back, we have LED rear lights with dynamic rear indicators, and as mentioned earlier, the enhanced exterior styling also includes a roof edge spoiler, rear bumper, and rear diffuser, giving this a menacing overall look. While we also have the dual branch chrome tailpipes, which sound amazing, especially in dynamic mode. To access the boot, just hold down the button on the key or use a soft release on the hatch. For a performance hatchback, this has a large boot with 330 litres of space, so there's plenty of room for adding a shopping or even a pushchair, while folding down the rear seats means you can add in those larger and longer items, such as flat pack furniture, and once you've loaded everything, just pull down to close. Overall, this is a really stylish performance hatchback. While considering its age and mileage, it's definitely in excellent condition. Moving inside, you'll see it's equally as stylish. There's matte brushed aluminium inlays, which really uplift the interior ambience. Lower down, we have the automatic gearbox and electronic handbrake, really clearing up the interior for a clutter-free, stylish look. There's also fine nap leather upholstered front sports seats, which are not only plush, but also really comfortable and supportive, especially on long journeys, while the manual adjustability means you can easily get into your favourite driving position every time you get into the car. There's also automatic headlights with light and rain sensors, while on the doors we have the switches for the windows and mirrors. There's also the Bang & Olufsen sound system for the front and rear, which we'll come on to later. But this concludes the 360-degree walk around of the Audi S3 Sportback Black Edition. Now let's take a look at the interior from the driver's perspective. In front of you, there's a flat bottom 3-spoke leather multifunction steering wheel, with buttons to control the optional virtual cockpit you see ahead of you, as well as infotainment display on the centre console. On the left hand side of the steering wheel, we have these toggle switches, which you can use to change the display ahead. We have general car information, which can display consumption both short term and long term, so all the important information is displayed ahead of you. There's also DAB digital radio, so you can listen to your favourite radio stations, telephone equipment for making those hands-free calls, as well as navigation with 3D mapping, so you can easily find a destination, while if you click view you can change the size of those dials, really adding extra customizability for the display. This model has done 28,866 miles, while even though it's past its warranty, it will come with a 12-month warranty upon purchase, as well as the original set of 2 keys. As standard, we have the 7-inch multi-media interface Radio Plus display screen with the MMI controller dial on the centre console, which you can use to easily navigate through the system on the move without taking your eyes off the road. There's also shortcut switches, such as DAB digital radio, so you can listen to your favourite radio stations, media controls with various sources such as Bluetooth and auxiliary, telephone equipment for making those hands-free calls, as well as navigation with 3D mapping, so you can easily find a destination. There's also Audi smartphone interface, allowing you to connect to device media via Apple CarPlay or Android Auto. so streaming your favourite music or podcasts couldn't be easier. As standard, there's also Audi's Drive Select, allowing you to alter the driving dynamics by choosing one of the pre-configured modes. There's plenty modes to choose from, such as efficiency, comfort, and auto, with individual allowing you to customise your options. But our personal favourite is dynamic, as it's most driver focused. Not only that, but as standard, we also have the rear parking sensors, really adding extra reassurance when navigating through those tight spaces. Moving down, we have the display for the dual-zone electronic climate control, with SAP controls for the passenger and driver, with plenty of capability to your liking. You can easily change your temperature, speed, and direction on the move, without taking your eyes off the road. While we also have the added benefit of heated front seats, which will come really handy, especially on those cold winter mornings. There's also Audi's famous Quattro 4-wheel drive system, so you can be reassured that you'll receive the same driving experience under any condition. This was a walk around of the Audi S3 Sportback Black Edition. If you'd like to arrange a viewing, test drive, or request a personalised finance quote, please contact us on 0772 911 331. Thank you for watching.